The Global Sustainable Tourism Council, which is referred to as GSTC, is a global standard-setting body to develop sustainable tourism standards for the world. Sustainable tourism standards that the GSTC has developed came after wide consultations with a large stakeholder groups, and all of them together were put together, and after a long process the GSTC criteria was developed.
The Association of Tourism Officers of the National Capital Region has reached out to the regional office for this kind of a workshop because they know and they understand that National Capital Region stewardship for tourism is not just a one local government endeavor, but a collective endeavor of all local government units in the region. This world-class training will enhance the capacity of our local government unit with the needed skills and training to ensure that their destination is ready for the post-pandemic recovery.
The standards that GSTC has developed hopes to take care of all these anomalies that are happening in the industry and direct everybody towards a sustainable tourism pathway and start the journey.
Hi, I'm Ponchi Santos, head of the Marikina City Tourism Office, and I'd like to sincerely thank the Department of Tourism for holding this Destination Stewardship Seminar, and to enjoy it and utilize it and show just how important it is to every human being. Thank you.
We congratulate the DOT NCR for partnering with CB Ramkumar for a very comprehensive discussion on the sustainability of destinations in the Philippines.
Jonathan Balsamo, Tourism Officer of Valenzuela City. I understand that sustainable tourism is the way to go for us to be able to recover from the pandemic and continue to enjoy the earth while at the same time thinking of the future generation.
Hello, I'm Catherine G. Poblete from the City of Mandaluyong, Senior Tourism Operations Officer. Thank you DOT University, to the DOT NCR for this Destination Stewardship Masterclass. With these new learnings, it will be an asset for us to plan for the tourism, sustainable tourism plans and projects of the City of Mandaluyong.
Hi, I'm Brian Hilly. I'm the officer in charge of San Juan City's Tourism and Cultural Affairs Office. We are currently doing our tourism code in San Juan City, and with this I learned a lot of things which I can actually have included in our tourism code, and which I hope will improve our tourism industry in San Juan City, as well as help the tourism enterprise and the tourists themselves.
Charlie Dungo, Tourism Officer, Manila LGU. Thank you DOT NCR. Thank you RD Sherlyn Pati for this wonderful global capacity building course. This is one of a kind. It should be cascaded to all tourism officers all over the Philippines.
My name is Maria Teresa A. Tirona. I'm the officer in charge of the Quezon City government under the Tourism Department. But at this point, I'd like to thank the Department of Tourism for spearheading this. And of course, there will be more projects such as this, and I hope to encourage the rest of the other LGUs who were not able to join us today.
Destination Stewardship Masterclass is a globally recognized workshop training course for local government officials, particularly our tourism officers, that looks at the needs of the current tourism industry, its demands, balancing it with the needs of the destination and its communities.